Hi, in this video, we will take a brief look at how solar cells work and eventually how this process allows the light from the sun to be converted into electricity. Now let's talk briefly about solar cells. A solar cell is a photovoltaic cell. It converts solar energy into a more useful form, electricity. This process is known as the photovoltaic effect. This process is very similar to photoelectric effect, where an electron is ejected when a photon is incident on the surface of a material. In this process, the ejected electron gives rise to a current through an external load. Photovoltaic cells are created from semiconductor materials, since the effect requires two different materials with different electronic properties to give rise to a voltage difference and hence produce current. The electricity generated can either be stored in batteries or can be commercially used to provide current. Now let us take a quick look at the details of a PV cell. The basic material inside a semiconductor is made of p-n junction. The n-type layer consists of abundance of negatively charged electrons, while the p-type consists of holes. Both the layers are usually made of silicon. When photons are incident on the surface of this material, the two layers induce an electric field across the junction. These electrons are moved from the N layer to external circuits connected with the load. To increase the efficiency of the PV cell, the N-type layer is coated with an anti-reflective coating. Since only a small amount of the energy from the sun is absorbed by the PV cell, multiple layers of such cells can be combined to increase the efficiency of electricity produced. Such a phenomenon is possible as light is an electromagnetic wave that causes electrons to be ejected from an atom if the photon exceeds threshold frequency. In a photovoltaic cell system, there may be multiple layers connected together that causes different parts of the light spectrum to be absorbed. While the light has both electric and magnetic fields, its electrical aspects have been much more of significance as compared to the magnetic properties. However, the new research revealed the possibility of using the magnetic properties of light to create solar energy, which might possibly remove the necessity of using expensive semiconductor materials. The use of such technology is of extreme value as it reduces the need of using non-renewable energy and therefore has more demand in the future. And solar technology is one of many electromagnetic applications that are of important practical technologies. Thank you.